startled me too, Jackie boy. Here's another one coming. Hello guys, and welcome back to another adventure with Hiking with Jackie boy. I'm Kevin, this is Jackie boy, and I'm watching a incoming storm. Used to be before I retired, this would mean I'd be going to work. Haha guys, I can sit here at home. Building clouds. Over a year ago, I did a video of me responding to a storm when I had to go out to work. With a sudden bang, and just like that, my power's out. Well, my power has been out for a while. This is CPS Energy outage map. Buzz lights. Well, for the last 30 years, I did work for the San Antonio water system. The last 12 of it, I worked as operations superintendent. So when this type of weather would happen, I would end up at work. Mostly to assist, sometimes to make a few decisions, or to generate work orders or dispatch emergency personnel wherever we needed it. Some of the houses in my neighborhood have power. Of course, some of the houses don't. Well, I was charging my phone when the power went out. Then I remembered I had the Jackery. So I'm charging my phone up. Starting to get some rain. Well, this area's been in a drought for the last 3 years. We can use as much as we can get. I didn't think of it until now that the Jackery can power a light in my house.
Flooding, a big issue. We do have a live shot actually. It looks like a vehicle off the road in the Helotes area. Looks like a Mercedes off the road.
I'm using my Chromebook.
It's not submerged in water, so
and my phone
lost
has a mobile
control on the
hotspot.
roadway and went off the road.
So I'm catching
there's
the
a little bit
weather
of could be some
forecast.
damage to the bumper. Anyway,
But
and
as
just,
of right now,
whenever we get rain
seems
around here and the
like
roads
these
get slick, we get
storms
issues
are
on the roadways, but
tapering off.
also we do have
The rain has stopped for now, but seeing lightning to the northwest, we may get another round. I don't know how long my laptop will operate on
like
its battery.
Negative?
I'm actually watching Lori's Prepping for Heavens live at the moment.
It sounds
Still
like,
waiting for
the picture
the
has
power to
burned
come
in.
on. I know with the lightning out there,
If
if
you
it's a
don't
lineman
use
job,
a
it currently
screensaver,
isn't safe for them to
you-
get
Oh, it
out
can burn the
the
screen
picture
now.
and
it
work on
burns
them.
the-
Finally, my power came back on. It'd been out for a while. I wonder if they lost power at Meteor Creek. I had been there and dealt with that before. At least I don't have to now. Well, it looks like all these storms have moved south of us. It's very much an electrified storm. Didn't get any winds, no flooding, no hail. Just a lot of lightning and a power outage. Well, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.